This is my model robot that I made by myself. I attached some electronics to make it look cooler. This is the inside of the model rocket. It looks complicated, but the circuit is not complicated. You need to build this with lights, perf boards, on-off switch, an Arduino, a 9-volt battery, a buzzer, and some solder. You can use spray paint to make it nice, as I did. I used these spray paints to do it. Let's see it work. First, there's a countdown with the buzzer and some white LEDs, and then after that it starts the lights around. See, it's working. Like, subscribe, and stay creative. See you in the next one. Bye.